Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki. It's been a while. I've been just, not there in terms of wanting to film anything. So today I'm going to be filming Face Chart Friday. However, I'm going to be filming this Face Chart Friday on a Thursday. So yeah, because tomorrow I'm going to be pretty busy and I won't be able to film it tomorrow. So yes, today is Thursday, December 5th. I'm filming this today, but it's going to be uploaded tomorrow. And I'm also going to film another video. So you're going to see this look in another video, but it has nothing to do with this look. Yeah. So I was finally sent a normal face chart because all the ones that I got sent in the past were like Halloween looks. So this one's normal-ish. Well, it's normal. It's not anything crazy. Pretty simple though. And I'm doing it because I like the color that they used. So I'm going to be doing this one. And I'm going to be using, well, I have my phone. If you're new to my channel, usually I'm not even gonna say every Friday because clearly that hasn't been consistent. But usually on Fridays I film a face chart video sometimes when I have time, when I get a chart, when I'm not emotionally drained or mentally drained, you know, that good stuff. So yeah, that's been happening a lot lately. So what I do is I look at my phone and there's the chart, and so if I'm not looking at the camera, it's because I'm looking down at the chart. I gotta set this up so that I can see it properly. This is a Milk 1422 face chart. I'm going to be using two colors out of this Frozen 2 Anna palette, as well as the Lunar Beauty Life of Drag palette. I think I'm going to use 2 colors out of here as well. So for this one, I'm going to be using Sickening, which clearly I use that a lot, and then actually 3. These 2, I'm going to use Mug and Trade from here. So I'm going to be using 5 colors today. And I'm going to choose an inner corner highlight color, which will probably come from this one too. So I guess I'll be using 3 and 3. So from here I'm going to use Wind, Scoochin', and Charades. So those are the 6 colors. It went from 5 to 6 colors I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a pair of Kiss lashes. I don't know which lipstick I want to use. I'm stuck between 3 choices. They're all nudes. So we have the Lunar Beauty. I think this is the closest one. Or Lunar Beauty Daydream. ColourPop Up All Night, which is Ultra Matte Lip. And then a ColourPop Mini Lippy in the shade Cookie. I'm going to have to like really look. Although these 2 are pretty close, but I think this one is closer. The Lunar Beauty might be closer. Oh wait, the Up All Night might be closer. I can use them both. We'll figure it out. And my lip liner is always, whenever I use a nude, I use a pink lip liner. And I'm trying to find it right now. I don't know why I shoved it in here with my makeup brushes, because it's like 700 brushes in here. And yeah, so I gotta play. Oh, here it is. It's little. I used this clean color lip liner in the shade Natural, number 835. So one of these lip products is going to go. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the gloss. This is from the Anna collection. This is Free Spirit. First of all, this packaging, the decoration, I love it so much. By the way, I saw Frozen 2 with my boyfriend, and it was amazing. Yeah, big-ass kids, both of us. Well, actually, I think I'm more of a kid than he is, but he embraces my childlike side, you know. Then my lower lash liner and liquid liner, because I'm going to use a liquid liner. No, I'm not going to do a wing. I'm just going to do a little bit, you know. Is going to be Eddie Funkhouser. And my mascara is Bang from Benefit. My highlight is going to be Lunar Beauty Mars, if you don't know what that looks like. It's this color here. And I think that's it. I got my brushes. For blush, I'm actually going to be going into the Lunar Beauty one, and I'm going to be using the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using Snatched, I think. A little bit of Snatched, or a little bit of Trade. I know that's weird, right? It's either going to be Trade or Snatched. Not sure yet. I'll figure it out. But that's it. That's all. Let's get into this look. Yeah, sorry about that. The camera died. Yay. Not really yay. So far I've done is I've used Mug, Sickening, and Wind. Ooh, that was loud. I'm now going to take Trade from this palette. Ignore the cartoons in the background, if you can hear. Because to me it sounds loud, but when I go back and edit the video, you actually can't hear anything. I know I left the space there because I'm going to, why am I losing my voice? Go into Charades from the Frozen 2. Yeah, see, it's real simple. And I'm going to take the Eddie Funkhouser line. I'm going to do it now before I put the lashes on because I always make a mistake somehow. So we're not going to make a mistake today. And for the record, if you're new to my channel, I don't do my base on camera unless I'm going to do a full face. Now, if you'd like to see that on camera, I will do it on camera, but I feel like everybody has their own way of doing their face makeup. I don't know why I can do it with my left hand. I don't know why I didn't just do it at first, because I'm messing up over here. But yeah, saw Frozen 2, loved it, loved everything about it. I actually saw it the weekend that I got the Anna and Elsa palette. My dog's gonna bark because someone's outside. I apologize in advance because I know it's coming, right, Sunny? I should have said her name. Sorry, there was somebody at the door. Got a package. It's a swimsuit because my boyfriend decided to have an impromptu weekend getaway, and apparently I need swimwear. So yeah, I don't know what we're doing or where we're going, but okay. So I did the liner, and I think because I can see the eyeshadow on my cheek here, so I'm gonna have to redo my face makeup off. I'm gonna do that off camera though. So I'm gonna go and fix my face makeup because I have eyeshadow here, there. Yeah, I gotta fix a lot. But yeah, so I'll be back with a fixed face. So I did my entire face over. I thought I was gonna be like, no, just do the under eyes. I did the whole face. Didn't take that long though. So, oh, my unibrow's coming back. I can see it very vividly in this mirror. Oh, we gotta fix that. No, ma'am. I really adore this mascara. And I did my lower liner off camera because and because I redid my face makeup, so now I have to put the luminizer back on. This is Eddie Funkhouser. His luminous powder in Love Glow. We just take a little bit of her and we decorate all of that. Same thing on both sides. I know y'all saw that brush hair come out because I saw it. And then I do have to do my nose because we did her all over again. And I'm really obsessed with this powder only because I'm not done with the nose stiff actually. It's like a pink tone to it, so I'm going to take this Benefit blush in California. Take a little bit of that. Like, I'm not with the whole blush on the nose trend. I think, like, it works for everybody but me. Like, right now, I'm putting this on here, I look sick. Like, I think I look sick. Like, I'm not even kidding. I think I look sick. I mean, but that's how it is. So, whatever. And then, of course, I gotta put brush hair. Of course, I have to put my beauty marks back on my face. Because there's one really right here, but the makeup's covering it. And that's why I put it there, because I miss her. But then I've also got addicted to putting one right there. So, there's that. Now I'm going to do my lashes, but I'm going to do them off camera. So again, I'm using these Kiss lashes that I got from Brush Hair. Yeah, I got it. Ew. From either Family Dollar or Walgreens. I can't really remember because they both have them. And I went to both places in the same day. But I'm going to be using these, which I just cleaned them. I did not clean the case though, because this clear part is covered in everything. And this clear, well, it dries clear, LA Colors lash adhesive. That's what it's called. It's not called lash glue, it's lash adhesive. And then I'll be back. So lashes are on, and I actually did these faster than I normally do, which is awesome. Got it. Got it. Alright. Now for the lower lash line. All I'm going to do is take, that was loud, Charades from here, which is this brown shade. And then I'm going to take, oh, that was loud, Trade from here. So of the 3 browns I used, I'm going to be using 2 of them on my lower lash line to get the same effect without all the work, you know. So for this one, I'm going to need this lovely brush. So first I'm going to go in with Charades. No, clean that off. Trade first. We're going to do Trade first because Trade is richer. So what they did was, well, what he did was he brought it down and around. Like, I'm still going to put, there's no inner corner highlight, but I'm still going to put one. I might not need, Charades. Although I think I'm going to use it just for depth. But Trade by itself is actually pretty good. And I'll take a little bit and put it right. Yeah, alright. That works. Don't you love when things come together? Okay, this is actually a really pretty look. I didn't think it'd be cute, but here we are. I'm gonna take a little bit of Scooch In from the Frozen palette. A little bit, just a smidge. See, just a smidge. And then highlight my brows, and to highlight my brows, I'm going to be using Beat from this palette. From the Lunar Beauty palette. This palette. The Beat. I'm going to go right up in there. Sunny, control yourself. I haven't done makeup in a while. I'm going to be honest with the world right now. This is really pretty though. And then for my next trick, I'm gonna do my dots. They're not in this picture, but I need my dots. Although I have bangs now, so they won't be seen. But I'll know they're there. That'll work. And for the record, although in the pictures they look perfect, these dots are never, if you zoom in, they're never perfect. And that's just how I like them. On to the lips. For lips, I have decided to go with Lunar Beauty. For me. Like, it's like literally my lip color. And they're probably like, why do you use it then? Well, because the line of my lips is not the same color as the rest of my lips. So you can, like, if I don't put anything there, you'll see it. It looks weird. Throws off the whole look. So I'm going to take Daydream. There are people outside with dogs, which is making my dog go nuts. Because they're like standing in front of the house and talking. And my dog is so smart. She'll look through the window. That's how smart she is. She'll look through the window. And then, because this doesn't, Lunar Beauty, that's another reason why I like their liquid lips. It dries matte, but it doesn't like dry down, so your lips aren't dry feeling. And then I take a little bit of Anna. And then for my highlight, Mars. Mars everywhere. Ah, yeah, Mars. I just realized this is the first video I've filmed in a while where I actually have all my nails on. So there's that. Now I'm going to go and fix my bangs because this looks crazy. But we're basically done. So I'll be back. And this is the finished look. I did wind up just using California blush and a little bit of Trade on my, Mug on my cheeks. So I took the brown eyeshadow and used it as a contour. And then I used the California. I like it a little better. Sorry, I got highlighter all on my phone. Lovely. I like it. I like it a lot. I mean, you know, this current situation, gotta move them out of the way so you can see it. But I like it. I'm gonna try to get back to the filming though, you know. I swear I am. I really, really am. I need to. Anyway, that is it. That is all for this look. And I'm loving this bun on top of my head, so that's why my hair is not down, because I'm really liking, I'm liking it. So yeah, that's it, that's all, and I will see you all next time. Bye.